The costly mistake. What if the biggest thing holding your YouTube channel back isn't the algorithm, your camera, your editing skills, or even your age? What if it's a handful of beginner mistakes that almost everyone over 50 makes when they start? Mistakes that seem harmless at first. Mistakes that feel logical. Mistakes that can quietly cost you months or even years of progress. Many people start YouTube excited and motivated. Then 6 months later, they have uploaded dozens of videos, gained only a few subscribers, and started wondering whether YouTube simply works better for younger people. The truth is far less discouraging. Most channels don't fail because their creators are too old. They fail because they unknowingly follow the wrong path from day one. And today, we're going to uncover the biggest mistakes new YouTubers over 50 make, and more importantly, exactly what to do instead. The hidden advantage. Here's something most YouTube gurus won't tell you. Being over 50 can actually be one of the biggest advantages on the platform. You have life experience. You have stories. You have lessons learned through decades of success, mistakes, wins, losses, careers, businesses, relationships, and challenges. You possess something millions of younger creators are still trying to develop: credibility. The problem isn't that you're over 50. The problem is that many people over 50 try to build YouTube the same way younger creators do. And that approach often leads straight to frustration. The channels that succeed later in life usually follow a completely different playbook. Stay with me, because we're going to break that playbook down. The promise. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common beginner mistakes that stop older creators from growing. You'll understand why those mistakes happen. Hi, my name is Bob, and this channel is built for one specific purpose: to help people over 50 build faceless YouTube channels, using AI tools to create real income without overwhelm. Because let's be honest, most people at this stage of life are not looking for a hobby. They're looking for a real retirement income strategy, a way to make money online over 50, something sustainable, not exhausting. And that's exactly where YouTube automation fits. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. With AI, we can help you to cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 4 and turn simple content into consistent income. See links near the top of our video comments below to learn how. Thousands of channels are generating income every month without ever showing a face, revealing their identity, or becoming internet celebrities. In fact, this video uses vidIQ to produce the thumbnails from an original image of me de-aged 10 years and re-aged 10 years using Nano Banana, a very economical image program of Google's. I use HeyGen to convert the narrative created by ChatGPT into a video using the enhanced, better-looking image of me used in the thumbnail. These products are listed in the video description below. And as we were saying, and you'll learn practical alternatives that can help you build a channel faster, smarter, and with far less stress. Because YouTube isn't a young person's game. It's a value game. And value has no age limit. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Waiting until everything is perfect. This is perhaps the biggest beginner mistake of all. Many people over 50 spend months preparing. They research cameras. They compare microphones. They watch tutorials. They study thumbnails. They plan channel names. They redesign logos, they create banners. Then they spend more time preparing, and more time, and more time. Meanwhile, someone else uploads their first imperfect video, then their second, then their 10th, then their 50th. Guess which person is learning faster? The creator taking action. YouTube rewards experience, not preparation. Your first videos will not be perfect, neither were anyone else's. Every successful creator started with videos they'd probably cringe at today. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is progress. Your first video isn't your final product, it's your first lesson. Mistake number 2, trying to talk to everyone. Many new creators believe wider audiences mean more views, so they create videos about everything. One day it's gardening, next week it's motivation, then travel, then retirement, then cooking, then personal finance, then fitness, then current events. The channel becomes a collection of random topics. Viewers get confused. The algorithm gets confused. Growth slows. Imagine walking into a bookstore where every shelf contains completely unrelated books. You'd struggle to know what the store actually specializes in. Your channel works the same way. People subscribe because they expect more of something they already enjoyed. The clearer your topic, the easier growth becomes. Choose a lane. You can always expand later. But in the beginning, clarity beats variety. Every time. Mistake number 3. Believing age is the problem. This belief destroys more potential channels than bad editing ever will. Some creators spend months convincing themselves they are at a disadvantage. I'm too old. The audience is younger. I missed my chance. Young people understand technology better. These thoughts feel real, but the evidence says otherwise. Thousands of successful creators started later in life. Many built audiences in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s. Viewers don't click because of your birth year. They click because they're interested. They stay because you help them. They subscribe because they trust you. Age becomes an asset when you stop treating it like a liability. Your experience is valuable. Don't hide it. Use it. Mistake number 4. Focusing on equipment instead of content. A surprising number of beginners think better gear will solve everything. They buy expensive cameras, professional lights, premium microphones, editing software, multiple monitors, fancy accessories. Then the views don't come. Because viewers rarely click a video because of the camera. They click because of the topic, because of the promise, because of the title, because the thumbnail sparked curiosity. A great message recorded on simple equipment will outperform a boring message recorded on expensive equipment. Every day. Start with what you have. Upgrade later. Content first. Gear second. Always. Mistake number 5. Comparing yourself to established creators. This trap is everywhere. A beginner uploads their 5th video, then compares themselves to someone with 1,000 videos, or 5,000 videos, or 10 years of experience. Naturally, they feel inadequate. Imagine learning golf and comparing yourself to a professional golfer, or learning piano and comparing yourself to a concert pianist. It wouldn't make sense, yet creators do this constantly. Instead, compare yourself to yesterday's version of yourself. Are your thumbnails improving? Are your introductions getting stronger? Are your titles becoming more compelling? Are your videos delivering more value? That's the comparison that matters. Growth is often invisible while it's happening. But consistency compounds. Small improvements become major advantages over time. Mistake number 6. Quitting too soon. Most channels never fail. Most creators quit. There's a difference. Many people expect quick results. When they don't happen, motivation fades. The reality is that YouTube often works slowly at first. Very slowly. Some channels gain traction quickly. Many don't. Think about planting a tree. You water it. You nurture it. You care for it. For a long time, very little seems to happen. Then one day growth becomes obvious. YouTube often behaves the same way. Every video is another seed. Every upload is another opportunity. The creators who survive long enough often become the creators who succeed. Persistence matters more than most people realize. Mistake number 7. Ignoring thumbnails and titles. Many beginners spend hours creating videos, then spend 2 minutes creating a title, and 30 seconds creating a thumbnail. That's backwards. Your thumbnail and title are advertisements. Their job is simple. Get the click. A brilliant video that nobody clicks is invisible. A strong title and thumbnail give your content a chance. Ask yourself, would I click this? Does it spark curiosity? Does it promise a benefit? Does it address a problem? Can someone understand it within seconds? Small improvements here can create massive differences in results. Mistake number 8. Making videos about yourself instead of the viewer. This mistake is subtle and common. Many creators focus on what they want to say. Successful creators focus on what viewers want to hear. There's an important difference. People care most about solving their own problems, improving their own lives, achieving their own goals. When planning content, ask, what question is the viewer asking? What frustration do they have? What challenge can I help solve? The more your videos focus on viewer outcomes, the more valuable they become. And valuable videos attract audiences. Mistake number 9. Uploading without a plan. Some creators treat YouTube like a lottery ticket. They upload random videos and hope something works. A better approach is to think strategically. Study your audience. Identify recurring questions. Notice common problems. Create content around proven interests. When one video performs well, create related videos. Build momentum. Build connections between topics. Build a library that serves the same audience. Channels grow faster when videos work together rather than compete against each other. Mistake number 10. Overcomplicating the process. Many people make YouTube harder than it needs to be. They create elaborate systems, complex workflows, complicated production schedules. Eventually, the process becomes exhausting, and exhaustion leads to inconsistency. The best system is the one you'll actually follow. Simple often wins. One topic, one audience, one upload schedule, one clear goal. Keep removing complexity until creating videos feels sustainable, because sustainability beats intensity every single time. Mistake number 11. Being afraid to niche down. A common fear sounds like this. If I focus on one topic, I'll lose viewers. Usually the opposite happens. Specialization creates clarity. Clarity attracts the right audience. And the right audience is far more valuable than a large group of uninterested viewers. Think of experts. People trust specialists. People seek specialists. People recommend specialists. The more clearly you solve a specific problem, the easier it becomes for viewers to remember you and return. Mistake number 12. Forgetting why you started. This may be the most important mistake of all. Many creators begin with excitement, a vision, a dream, a purpose. Then numbers take over. Views, subscribers, watch hours, analytics. Slowly, the original reason disappears. When that happens, discouragement grows. Remember why you started. Maybe you wanted extra income. Maybe you wanted a creative outlet. Maybe you wanted to share knowledge. Maybe you wanted to leave a legacy. Maybe you wanted more freedom. Those reasons matter, and they remain important even when growth feels slow. Purpose creates persistence. Persistence creates results. The truth about starting YouTube after 50. Here's what many people eventually discover. Success on YouTube isn't primarily about age. It's about consistency. It's about learning. It's about adaptation. It's about creating value repeatedly. The truth about creating value repeatedly. The platform doesn't care whether you're 25, 55, or 75. It responds to viewer behavior. If viewers find your content helpful, interesting, entertaining, inspiring, or useful, YouTube notices. And when YouTube notices, opportunities begin to appear. Your age is not the obstacle. The wrong strategy is. The wrong expectations are. The wrong habits are. Fix those things and everything changes. And we have the tools to help you, listed in the video description below. Final thoughts. If you're over 50 and thinking about starting YouTube, don't let beginner mistakes steal months or years from your journey. Don't wait for perfection. Don't obsess over equipment. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Don't quit before momentum has a chance to build. Focus on helping people. Focus on consistency. Focus on improvement. And remember something important. The world is full of people looking for guidance, wisdom, experience, and practical knowledge. And if you have benefited from what we offer, please subscribe and like this video. Those are qualities many creators spend decades developing. You already have them. The challenge isn't becoming qualified. The challenge is sharing what you already know. So upload the video, take the first step, learn as you go, and give yourself permission to be a beginner. Because every successful YouTube creator started exactly where you are now, with one video, one idea, and the decision to begin. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.